stars in the game. Got no time to play, I'm drip. Who respect to my name? Hi guys, welcome back to another day of the vlog, another day of the whatever period. Okay guys, ke chubile fene, ke apeile, go busy, go na le a lot of sounds going on. But anyway guys, so I'm so excited. I'm so excited guys. So today we did an apartment update. I'm so excited. There's so many things that happen and I just wanted to like show you guys properly. So today is the day. Bona, it's literally starting to look like a whole house, you know, like a home in fact. So anyway guys, I get a bonting guys, go nice, go lovely man. But anyway, let me show you guys everything and then I will, as I'm showing you guys like everything, I'll just like write down the prices for everything on the screen. Yeah, I'll write the prices of everything on the screen. And yeah, let's get into it. Period. Let's go. Okay guys, so we got a fridge. I'm so excited. Luna, let's unbox our new fridge. We got the Hisense fridge, but yeah, obviously like no yana, it's quite full, but this is how it looks like. I've decided to just like put the microwave here instead of there. I'm cooking guys for skis because it was there. So yeah, I feel like here it kind of makes sense, you know, space in yana. And yeah, I'm so happy. Like yeah, I think this was like 5,000. So as you saw, everything is from Decofurn. As you guys also know that this alcohol whatever, also from Decofurn. Got this drinks though from Checkers. I always buy my liquor from Checkers. I don't know why. I feel like Checkers also like has like many options and also gets my nails eating. We got these curtains from Metro. I think it's called Metro. I'll just get the name and write it on the screen, but it's called Metro if I'm not mistaken. It's in town. We were so stressed, like where are we gonna get curtains that are like, you know, until there, because I really this sliding door, it's a bit weird, right? It's too high or whatever, but it's cute. I like it. So we were very worried like where are we gonna get the curtains, because the curtain it's okay didn't really have like, even if barke extra length, because we did go to Volps. Actually we did buy it, but we had to return it because like it was not extra length thing, you know, it was literally half, but barke extra length. But she makes sense because these things are actually large. so I can't really fault them on that. It was really their extra length. So we went to Metro and then explained to the lady. She was so nice. She helped us and all of that. And actually now I'm actually thinking, oh, we should get the lace. I know I said that we don't use lace in this house, but I'm actually thinking about it because sometimes I just want to like open the curtains and not really see my neighbors. Yeah. And not really see my neighbors, but you know, even though lighting yet, and normally know it's quite late, it's like 6 o'clock, but like and TV but you know, because of a lace of yes, so yeah. But I'm actually thinking about it. You know, just get a lace, man. Like I don't know, because sometimes I just wanna like walk in the house half naked and just give a half puna. But I can't do that because when at the moment I open, you know, or when I close, it's too dark. But anyway, so yeah, that's everything. I will, is this thing recording? Okay, I'll definitely leave everything on the description box, and as you guys saw, obviously I left the prices as well. If I'm not sure, I'll just because we ordered, like we went to the store, right? We didn't order online, but I will obviously leave the link of the of the store online, so that if you guys want to buy like online. And yeah, but anyway guys, I'm so happy. Like Decofurn, if you see this, I'm your girl. Decofurn, if you see this, please sponsor me. Like we need to work, because what do you mean my whole house is finished by Decofurn? What do you mean? Literally, kitty curtain needs a fan, the bed Decofurn, the side tables Decofurn. Like anyway, yeah. Also this cute thing is also from Decofurn. The one on top of the table is also from Decofurn. Guys, I don't know, I'm obsessed. Like I love them, I love them. So if you do go to the store, or maybe you order online or whatever, post and tag me, okay? Just enjoy it. Zani influenced me to actually buy this because this is cute. But anyway, and they're also affordable, like very affordable. So yeah guys, I just wanted to also do a thingy. I went to Takealot yesterday to collect my order, and I'm so excited guys. Like I am literally on my gym era, girl. I did try to like go to like a gym like Gym Street, so but like it makes sense, you know, because sometimes I do get like so busy. So yeah, I was like, let me just order like things that I'm gonna use, you know. Yeah, and I did that, and obviously like I didn't like order a lot or whatever, but I think it's good for me to like, you know, start. And I also wanted to get a thingy, what is it called, because I didn't want to like move. I didn't want to get I wanted to get a stepper, but I read the reviews and I was just like, I'm not sure, you know, like apparently but after some time it gets like very stiff. And yeah, so first thing is first, I got everything from Takealot, by the way. I got this yoga mat. Let me just reduce the lights here. I got this yoga mat, so cute. I don't know if should I remove this plastic, because today I woke up super late. How long is it? I woke up super late today guys, like but I can explain, because I slept at 4 o'clock in the morning. I was editing, and honestly because so yeah, it comes with this thing. Oh sana manala ka wait. Last day I get manala ne. So I went to buy water at what is it? Is it Rebel? Pizza Rebel or something, something like that, yeah. And then I can feel like that lady, like, cause I get swipe like and then I accidentally like poked her. She was like, girl. I'm like, but they're not sharp, because I did ask my nail tech like not to make them too sharp. So yeah, anyway, this is the length. It's quite long. Oh my god. Oh Jesus. I'm so happy about this because guys, I'm a tall babe. Do you see how long this is? I am a tall babe. Okay, so I'm happy about this. Bona. It is so long. So yeah, I got a pink yoga mats because I'm cute like that, period. And then I got this what is it called? I think yeah, roller, something like that. Roller, like, it's that thing that you use. The lighting, sweetie, come back. Hold on, guys. It's the thing that you like fat, like with your hands. I've tried this this one time and it was difficult. I don't know why did I buy it, but we'll see. And I like a challenge, so I really wanna like redo my whole life, you know. And then it also, this thing, the roller, it came with this thingy. It's like materialoa yoga mat. So I don't know what is it for. Is it for my hair? I don't know what is it for actually, but I'll just check on TikTok or search somewhere here on YouTube. Do you wanna know what is this for? And then got this what's this? Got this skipping rope. Honestly, I get to wear silly green, but that's fine. Because it was like nearly packet. It was like what's this? Is it a package? Like it was like a lot of things in one thing, like buy 3 for 1 kind of vibe. So it was this rope, it was this roller, and it was also this tummy something trainer that I'm about to show you guys now. Oh, sun. So yeah, this tummy trainer. So you put your feet here, and then this thing, yeah. Yeah, it's very hard though, so I'm very excited. Hey, who don't you? Sama body. This year, so yeah, you can put your feet here. I think you can also like just wild, you know, because it's very flexible or whatever. So it was this, the and then the skipping rope for I write the prices here. I think 5 something, but I'll write the prices here. So yeah, and then I also got I also got this 4 kg weight or weight lifter, something like that, for my squats, because I want my ass to get bigger. Get wrong? I want my butt to get bigger. Am I wrong? I get wrong. But yeah, I got this. It's quite heavy. Yo, my bunny, guys, because it was a collection. I didn't do delivery, right? I don't know, I always do collection. I just love going there. It sounds weird, I know, but like, there's satisfaction. It just, there's something, you know, like receiving a package and then and then you're like, oh, so cute. And also, like, I really like the offices. I don't know, Takealot really did a thing there. It's very cute, like it's given simple but nice, and also like the cute for thumbnail, man. Like the content. So yeah. Otherwise, we got this 4 kg baby. Little squats. Summer boat coming for you. And then lastly, this is so heavy. Lastly, I got these weights, 3 kgs, 2 of them. Okay. Oh damn, it's so heavy. 3 kgs, guys. I actually, let me tell you a story. I actually wanted to get 2 because Vela, that's what they wrote there, like Bakutu 2. But I felt like 2 is gonna be too simple. I'm not gonna like it or whatever. But no, hey, how heavy? But like I can maneuver, like, because I really want like something very heavy. I'll be doing my back exercises. What do you want, Mosabo? What do you want, Mosabo? What do you want? Yeah. I'm starting tomorrow, by the way. I'm gonna wake up early in the morning. But at 6 o'clock, I'm up. Yeah, set up a mall. Give a busy. But anyway, guys, yeah, that's it. I'll definitely I'm sorry, let me drink water. I'll definitely link everything on the description and the prizes on the screen, and maybe also on the description, so that you can just go back and check everything, because Billy NIE was online, so I think I'll just link like online. Yeah. But anyway, guys, yeah, that's it from me. I'll definitely catch you guys on my next one. Thank you so much for watching. If you've made it this far, can't talk. If you've made it this far, you're definitely the stars of the skies, period. Make sure that you like, subscribe, and turn on that post notification bell on, just so you know whenever I'm posting a video. Okay, guys, next time. Okay, and also, guys, please also watch my previous vlogs. Like, I'm trying to reach that watch time, guys. Like, this year, but we're going in hard. So please, 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 when you have the time, watch my previous vlogs, videos, and everything, so that you can actually help your girl out, you know, because I need you. I need you. But anyway, guys, bye.